I felt I dropped down very deep inside of myself. I feel uh, I feel that like things are like reordering themselves already.
Actually, I never felt something like that before. When I have a lot of experience, I made a lot of experience during the, I don't know, long path of my inner work, but I never felt something like that.
I do feel like a kind of like a holding a centeredness in myself that I kind of only remember from my primary school times, years, where that was a very natural place to be.
My whole body feels alive. It's like nothing happened and a lot happened.
I don't know if I should cry or laugh.
When we first started, I could feel a lot of sensation in my heart. It's very beautiful.
Before there was a lot of doubt, and now it's replaced by clarity.